Hey guys, welcome back. We're back here yet again with this FD RX7. This thing has been a colossal headache. It's every time I touch it, something breaks, or I find something new that needs to be fixed. So yes, score, win, right? Either way, look, I just got finished up with doing the rear bushings. I installed new J Auto pillow block bearings, which are made in the USA. They are super high quality. Highly recommend those. And then when I set this thing off the lift, the passenger side completely collapsed. Like the suspension just sunk down and it was tucking the tires on that side, completely non-drivable. I mean, I guess technically you could drive it, but it was not safe. So we really wanted to put air ride on this car because we were kind of planning on tricking it out and doing some really cool stuff with it, but it's expensive and it was going to take a while. So we opted to go ahead and pull the trigger on some Tien Coilovers. We're gonna get the coilovers installed, and hopefully by the end of this video, we will be driving this stupid car. So yeah, let's dive in. Rest in peace, Toby Keith. All right guys, before we open this box of Tien Coilovers, let me just touch base on a couple things that we've done since the last video. All right, so I've noticed that you guys really enjoy the recap / catch up type videos a little bit more than you do me turning wrenches, which is totally cool. I'm down with that. But as you can see, I've got some blue tape here. Actually, the original seal on this window had started peeling up, and we were going to look at replacing it or repairing it. Turns out we had a water leak there, and it was letting water into the car. So we opted to go ahead and have the windshield professionally removed because I don't know anything about glass except that I break it. So I went ahead and paid somebody to take care of this. Super cheap, super affordable, and way better than me breaking it myself. So looks like we still get, that might be water just coming from because it's raining. But anyways, you may notice back here looks a little bit different from the last video. This was our original seal that I was hoping to reuse, but unfortunately we couldn't reuse it. I've relocated the battery, got the cabling, the wiring all ran up there nice and flush. I've currently got this thing open because the previous owner ran the power cable up through here and cut it, and it was just like laying, it was a mess. So we got that cleaned up. I've got this off because I was working on the fuel sender, fuel level sender. So we're trying to get the fuel gauge working. But yeah, I got all this buttoned up. I've got all this trim in the shop that I've got to put back on. I had it off so that we could get that glass changed. But you may also notice that the shocks, the struts for the glass are now working, which is awesome. This thing's not trying to kill me every time I get in here. Shuts good and everything. Additionally, I've got the shifter tore out of it. Because the little ball, the little cap ball that sits down in there, yeah, it disintegrated. It's not there at all. So like the shifter's extremely sloppy. Also, this is the other thing that we're working on. Got the engine bay cleaned up a little bit more. Changed out all those nasty blue connectors for some Mishimoto red connectors to match the red air filter and all that good stuff. Yeah, so it's coming along. We actually ordered some of those guys, but they came in and they did not fit. So I'm still trying to figure those out. I mean, those were cool back in like 2005, I guess. And if it was 2005, I would probably still be running them, but not really a fan. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we've done so far. The crazy thing is this suspension has raised itself back up since it came off the lift. Craziest thing, set the car down, it completely sunk on this side. It was like slammed on this side and non-functional. So yeah, so anyways, we're gonna open these coil springs up. We're gonna check out what comes in the box, and then we may do a short montage on me installing them, and then hopefully here in just a bit, probably not today, but it'll be same day for you guys because it is nasty here. But yeah, let's open these up, and then we're gonna be driving this car real quick. All right, let's open up the present, see what they sent us. I love it when stuff's busted out of the box. That's the best. Got some extra cardboard. Very nice. Wouldn't make sense to make the box fit the parts. Just add extra cardboard. Okay. All right. Ooh, there's. All right. So this is a rear. All right. Nice. Very nice. So we've got ride height and preload. So that looks good. Let's see what the front looks like. Okay. Very, very similar. Fresh bushings. I mean, they're very green. That's the one thing I'm not a fan with Tien is the green. I'm just not a fan of green, but it'll work. So we got that, and what is this? Some goodies, some tools. Oh, we got some stickers. Oh man, I love stickers. I'll put those down the side of the car because it's a race car now. Sweet. Yeah, we got some Tien stickers, and then I'm guessing this is a dampener adjustment. Where is that located at? Huh. I'm gonna be really mad if I need to read the instructions. Oh sweet, no, there it is. Okay, so you got dampening control, hard, soft up on the top. Is it on the rear too? I hope so. Yes. Awesome. So these coilovers are fully adjustable. They've got adjustable dampening, compression, all that good stuff. Nice little rubber caps to cover that up, keep them from getting dirty. And then I'm assuming that the other two are under there and look exactly like these two, because you got a front and a rear. So that's what comes in the box. And we don't want to lose. It looks like you can use this, or you can use the little adjuster on the top. So we don't want to lose this stuff. We definitely don't want to lose those stickers. Oh wow, it's actually got like an emblem. Like that's almost like a badge in there. That's neat. I don't think I'll be running that, but it's still kind of cool. But yeah, all right, so we are going to get these things installed. Probably not today again because it's just raining, but I'm gonna do my best to maybe get the car on the lift today. That way tomorrow it'll be sunny hopefully, and we'll get them installed. So the backs are in. They look pretty good. I'm just going with where they're already set. They got a tag on it that says torque to spec or something. So I'm guessing this has already been torqued to spec. It would make sense. It's already clear that the ride height is going to be lower because I had to pick these up pretty significant compared to where they were originally with the original shocks. But the rears are done. I don't know what these are set at, so I'll figure that out later. A couple extra parts from the old ones. There's the old ones. Now, I just got to jump in and do the fronts. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully when this thing hits the ground again, it'll be drivable and we're going to take it for a rip.
The next day.
The driver's front is done. I still got to tighten up the bolts up here, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side. I went ahead and did the upper control arm bushings while I was in here. I still got to put this clip on before I forget, but everything over here should be done. And then we're moving to the other side, and yeah, we're pretty much done, kinda, ish. All right, well, it is on the ground. The shifter's been put in, and it's sitting pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the ride height currently. Looks a little tall, but it's because it's on stock tires and wheels. But definitely can go lower if needed. This is just the stock settings on the tins. She's warming up. Once it's warm, we're gonna take it for a rip, see how it does. All right, the suspension's definitely better than it was when I tried to take it down the driveway the other week. So let's see how she handles. A little bit warm. Good to drive, like, I mean, it's good to drive now, but like before I take it on a hour-long trip back to Rotor Sports, I definitely don't want to trailer it. I like driving stuff, so once we get it dialed in, we'll take it back up there and let him do some more adjusting on it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stayed with me on this whole journey. If you did, I really appreciate you watching it. Guys, if you got any feedback for me on this thing, just hit me up in the comments. I'm happy to chat with you guys, and I'd love to see what you guys think about this thing, and where do I go from here. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, and take care.